Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Authy for multi-device MFA reliability, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Authy app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, download the app from your app store and then open it. Once the app is open, you'll see a prompt to enter your phone number. Input your phone number carefully, ensuring it is accurate. Next, tap on the Next button. You will receive a verification code via SMS or a call. Check your SMS or listen to the call and retrieve the verification code. Enter the code into the app. After entering the correct code, tap on Verify. Once verified, you will see options to set up multi-device. To enable multi-device, navigate to the settings icon within the app. Toggle on the option for Allow multi-device. You may need to confirm your choice if prompted. Now, you can link additional devices to your Authy account. To do this, repeat the login process on the new device. Enter the same phone number you used previously. You will also receive a verification code on your original device. Retrieve that code and enter it on the new device. You should now see your accounts synced across devices. To enhance security, consider enabling backup password features. Always ensure your devices have the Authy application installed for easy access. If you ever have issues logging in, check your network connection. Make sure your number is correct and active for receiving codes. Remember, multi-device support enhances accessibility and reliability. With these steps, you are now set up for secure, multi-device access to your accounts using Authy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.